The silent link: how elevated homocysteine can impact your mental and physical well-being in the intricate landscape of our body's biochemistry. A seemingly unassuming amino acid called homocysteine plays a surprisingly significant role in our overall health. While essential in small amounts for various bodily functions, elevated levels of homocysteine can act as a silent disruptor, contributing to a range of health issues, including the often intertwined challenges of depression, anxiety, and various physical ailments. Understanding homocysteine: a metabolic middleman. Homocysteine is a naturally occurring amino acid produced during the metabolism of methionine, another essential amino acid we obtain from our diet, primarily from protein-rich foods. Normally, homocysteine is quickly converted into other useful compounds with the help of certain B vitamins, folate, vitamin B9, vitamin B12, and vitamin B6, acting as crucial cofactors in these enzymatic processes. The trouble with too much: when homocysteine levels rise when the body's metabolic pathways aren't functioning optimally, homocysteine can accumulate in the blood. This elevation can occur due to several factors, including nutrient deficiencies, insufficient intake or absorption of folate, vitamin B12, and vitamin B6 can hinder the conversion of homocysteine. Genetic predisposition: certain genetic variations, such as the MTHFR gene mutation, can affect the efficiency of the enzyme responsible for processing folate, leading to higher homocysteine levels. Lifestyle factors: diet high in red meat and low in fruits and vegetables, smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and lack of physical activity can contribute to elevated homocysteine. Underlying medical conditions: certain health conditions like kidney disease, hypothyroidism, and some medications can also impact homocysteine metabolism. The ripple effect: how high homocysteine impacts health. Elevated homocysteine levels can exert a detrimental impact on various bodily systems, contributing to a wide array of health problems. Mental health, depression: research has increasingly linked high homocysteine levels to an increased risk and severity of depression. Homocysteine can interfere with the synthesis of crucial neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, which play vital roles in mood regulation. It can also contribute to inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, further impacting mental well-being. Anxiety: similarly, elevated homocysteine has been associated with increased anxiety symptoms. Its neurotoxic effects and influence on neurotransmitter balance can contribute to feelings of unease, worry, and heightened stress responses. Physical health. Cardiovascular disease: high homocysteine is a well-established independent risk factor for cardiovascular disease. It can damage the lining of blood vessels, promote the formation of blood clots, and contribute to atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Cognitive decline and dementia: studies suggest a link between elevated homocysteine levels and an increased risk of cognitive impairment, including Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. It can contribute to neuroinflammation and damage brain cells. Increased risk of blood clots, thrombosis: homocysteine can interfere with the normal coagulation process, increasing the likelihood of dangerous blood clots forming in veins or arteries. Bone health: some research indicates that high homocysteine may negatively impact bone density, potentially increasing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Pregnancy complications: elevated homocysteine levels during pregnancy have been linked to an increased risk of complications such as preeclampsia, placental abruption, and neural tube defects. Taking action: testing and lifestyle interventions. The good news is that elevated homocysteine levels can often be managed and reduced through lifestyle modifications and targeted supplementation. Testing. The first step in addressing potentially high homocysteine is to get tested. A simple blood test can measure your homocysteine levels. This test is often included in comprehensive cardiovascular risk panels or can be requested specifically by your healthcare provider. Lifestyle interventions: adopting healthy lifestyle habits can significantly impact homocysteine levels. Nutrient-rich diet: focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, especially leafy greens, whole grains, and lean protein. Ensure adequate intake of foods naturally high in folate, e.g., spinach, lentils, broccoli, vitamin B12, e.g., meat, fish, dairy, fortified foods, and vitamin B6, e.g., poultry, fish, bananas, potatoes. Supplementation: if blood tests reveal deficiencies in folate, vitamin B12, or vitamin B6, your healthcare provider may recommend supplementation. The form and dosage will be tailored to your individual needs. For individuals with the MTHFR gene mutation, specific forms of folate, like methylfolate, may be more beneficial. Limit red meat intake: high intake of methionine, found abundantly in red meat, can contribute to higher homocysteine production. Moderating consumption can be helpful. Quit smoking. Smoking impairs homocysteine metabolism and damages blood vessels. Cessation is crucial for overall health and managing homocysteine levels. Moderate alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol intake can interfere with B vitamin metabolism and raise homocysteine. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity can improve overall metabolic health and may have a positive impact on homocysteine levels. Taking control of your well-being. Understanding the potential impact of homocysteine on both mental and physical health empowers you to take proactive steps towards well-being. If you are experiencing symptoms of depression, anxiety, or have concerns about your cardiovascular health or other related issues, discussing your homocysteine levels with your healthcare provider is a valuable step. At Psychiatric Wellness, we understand the intricate connection between mental and physical health. Our comprehensive approach considers various biological factors that can influence your well-being. If you would like to learn more about how we can help assess and address potential biochemical imbalances like elevated homocysteine in the context of your mental health, please don't hesitate to reach out. Psychiatric Wellness, your journey, our focus. Psychiatricwellness.org 405-437-2235